Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Coda for freelancers in 2026. Many freelancers struggle to organize clients, projects, and deadlines efficiently, and Coda makes managing work simple and collaborative. First, create a new Coda doc. Click New Doc and start with a blank page or a freelancer template. Templates for client management, invoices, or project tracking save time. Next, set up tables. Create tables for clients, projects, tasks, or payments. Each column can be text, number, date, checkbox, or select list to track all important details. Now add rows and input data. Each row represents a client, project, or task. Keep entries clear with accurate details for easy reference. After that, customize columns and use formulas. You can calculate totals, deadlines, and project progress automatically. Formulas help reduce manual work and prevent mistakes. Next, filter and sort your tables. Show only active projects or sort clients by priority. This keeps important information visible and organized. Then create multiple views. Coda allows table, Kanban, calendar, or gallery views. This helps you visualize projects or deadlines in the best format. Now, link tables for relational data. Connect clients to projects, tasks to deadlines, or payments to invoices. This makes your workflow clear and efficient. Finally, share and collaborate if needed. Invite clients or teammates, set permissions, and update in real time. Everyone stays on the same page without confusion. So yeah, using Coda for freelancers means creating tables, adding rows, customizing formulas, filtering and sorting, creating views, linking tables, and collaborating efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next